This tutorial is on how to skip to post-contract for awarded projects. First, log in to the system. First, add new project. Next, to fill in project information such as the contract type, work category, project title, site address and etc. Items with the asterisk symbol are compulsory to be filled. You can preview the templates if you want to, just click Preview. Then click Add. Next, to assign companies for the project. If you outsource any consultant for this project, you can select Company. For this project, select your company as the person in charge of preparing tender documents. Then click Save. Next, click at the BuildSpace Pro logo to direct you to the BQ system. First step, click at the project title, then click Add Bill. Select Normal Bill. Fill in the bill information. Then click Save. To import the awarded contractor BQ, first, open Excel BQ. There are a few adjustments need to be done. First, to delete the informative rows such as the item, description, unit and etc. Make sure the first row is the element title. Next, to delete the total amount row and any continued header. Lastly, to delete the total collection page. Make sure between two item description has an empty row. Then save the edited BQ. Back to BuildSpace Pro. Click at the bill. Go to Import from Files. Click Import from Excel. Click Select File, and select the edited BQ file. Next, to match the information column, back to the edited Excel file. Description under column C. Unit column D. Quantity column E. And rates under column F. Back to eProject system. Next to match the columns. Then click Import. Tick at the checkbox for the selected elements to be imported. To include the rates and quantity, tick at the checkbox. Then click Import. To view elements and items, double-click the bill. At this stage you can still amend the BQ information, rates and quantity. Next click Publish to Tender. Click Publish. Once publish, you cannot amend the BQ items. Now the project is at tendering stage, click the BuildSpace logo and click Tendering. Double-click the project. Next, to select the awarded contractor, click View Tenderers. Click Tender Settings. Select the awarded contractor from the list. Then click Save. Go to Action and click Select. Back to tendering. Before pushing this project to post-contract, you need to set a verifier to approve this process. To set a verifier, back to eProject tab. Go to Users and select Contract Management. First, select the module from the list. Click Publish to post-contract. Next, go to Actions. Click Select Users. Tick at the checkbox to assign users. You can choose multiple users. Then click Assign. Next, back to Actions, and click Assign Verifiers. Assign the verifiers. You can also add multiple verifiers, and the approval process is based on hierarchy. Once the verifiers have been assigned, back to BuildSpace Pro. Click Publish. Select Use Estimation Rate. Next, to key in the contract information. Items with asterisk symbol are compulsory to be filled. Then click Save. Next, you need to approve this process. Back to eProject tab. Click Projects. To approve Publish Push to Post Contract, click Post Contract tab at the To-Do list. Here you can see the pending task for approval, and from which project. Then click View. To view the BQ, click Inspect. Here you can view the project and contract information. To view BQ, click Breakdown. Once finalized with the analysis, click Approve or Reject. If rejected, the person in charge need to repeat the same step, push to post contract. You can key in any remarks and select Yes or No. Once approved, back to eProject system. Click Projects. You will notice the project is now at post-contract stage. Next, click Open Project. Here you can view the contract and claim information pie chart. To prepare post-contract claims, click at the BuildSpace Pro icon. To prepare claims, first you need to activate Claim Certificate. First, go to Claim Certificates. Then click Activate Claim Certificate. Next, to fill in the claim cert information. Then click Save. To proceed with the claim, back to Project Breakdown. Double-click Bill. You can rename the description. Double-click to view element. Here you can update claim at the element level, key in the percentage or amount under the up-to-date column. To update individual items, double-click element. You will notice all items are claimed 10%. At the item level, you can claim in percentage, quantity, or amount. Back to Project Breakdown. Click Reload to view the overall up-to-date claim. To update VO, double-click Variation Order. First, key in the VO title. Double-click to prepare VO items. Key in the item description. You have the option to key in the budget as a VO reference. Next, to key in the actual VO rate and quantity. Repeat the same steps to add more VO items. If there are items to be omitted from the BQ, click Omit from Bills. For the selected items, tick at the checkbox. You can select more than one items. Then click Import. Back to variation order. Here you can view the summary of the VO. If you have any supporting document to attach, click Upload. Once you finalize with VO, change the status from preparing to pending. You can set a reviewer to approve this process. Back to project breakdown. Any omitted items extracted from the BQ will be shown. To view, double-click until the item level. Back to project breakdown. To update VO claim, double-click variation order. Double-click the VO. Go to Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. Back to variation order. Double-click the VO. Next, update claim. Act a variation order to view the overall claim. Double-click the VO. Act a claim revision. Next, to change the status from in progress to locked. Back to project breakdown. To add advance payment, double-click Advance Payment. Key in the advance payment title. Set the priority of payment. To add advance payment items, double-click. Next, key in the description. Then add the unit, quantity and rates. Back to advance payment. If there are any supporting document, go to Upload. Next, change the status from Preparing to Pending. You can set a verifier to approve this process. To update payback, double-click. Go to Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. Back to advance payment. Next, to update the payback amount. Back to Claim Revision. Next, change the status from In Progress to Locked. Back to advance payment to view the overall updated claim. Back to Project Breakdown. To add material on site, double-click Material on Site. Key in the title. To add items, double-click. Next, key in the item description. Followed by the unit, quantity, and rate. You have the option to key in the reduction amount. Repeat the same step to add more items. Act to material on site. Next, to change the status from preparing to pending. You can set a verifier to approve this process. To update material on-site claim, double-click. Go to Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. Act to material on site. Double-click. Next, update payback. Act to claim revision. Change the status from in progress to locked. Back to project breakdown. Once you finalize with the claim, back to claim certificates. To preview the cert, go to Claim Cert Print Info. Click Print. Here you can view the claim information, such as the BQ work done, BO claim, advance payment, and material on site. Back to BuildSpace Pro tab. Once finalize, go to Claim Certificate Information, and click Submit. You can also set a verifier to approve this process. Repeat the whole process for a new claim. Act to eProject System. Refresh the page. Approved claim will also update the pie chart information.